Hey guys, this is Brad Barnes with Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we're going to take a little closer look at our inner frame link mount brackets. So our inner frame link mount brackets come in two different mounting widths. We have a 2-inch and a 2 5/8 width. On the 2 5/8 width, we have three different mounting options. We have a 0 degree, a 10 degree, and a 20 degree. On the 2-inch, we only have a 0 degree and the 10 degree. So these brackets work great for lower control arms as well as an upper control arm bracket. These legs will weld up the side or down the side of your frame. This will help distribute the load over a larger area over your frame. As you can see, this one is a 10 degree bracket, so this leg's a little bit thicker than this one here. But what that does is that automatically gives you that 10 degree mounting angle once you install it on your frame. It's easy to modify the angle by removing a little bit of material from either the short leg or the long leg in case you need something in between the sizes that we offer. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.